Hello children, welcome back to my channel Online Physics Class by Niharika. So children, as you know that we are studying chapter motion for class 9 and I have already uploaded part 1 video for chapter motion. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch that video, and will be your second part of chapter motion. Now in this video we are going to study what is uniform motion, what is non-uniform motion, what are the differences between uniform and non-uniform motion, and speed of the object. Clear? So the very first topic is uniform motion. Now what is uniform motion? As the name suggests, uniform. Uniform means a constant motion. Okay. So when we can say a body is having a uniform motion, this I will explain you with the help of an example. Suppose the speed of the body is 10 meter per second. Okay. The constant speed of the body is, if I am saying the constant speed of the body is 10 meter per second. So what does it mean? When this quantity will be the uniform motion, or when it will have the motion in a uniform manner. So it means a body is traveling every 10 meter, a body is traveling every 10 meter in each 1 second. In each 1 second. Okay. If a body is having a constant speed of 10 meter per second, it means body is covering each 10 meter in every 1 second. And when a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then it is known as uniform motion. Same thing is given in the book, that if a body is having a constant speed of 10 meter per second, okay, then it will cover equal distance of 10 meter every second, and so its motion will be a uniform motion. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, if I say a body is traveling, another example if I take, that if a body is traveling with a constant speed of 2 meter per second, so it means it is covering every 2 meter, every 2 meter in each 1 second. In each 1 second. Okay, so this is the meaning of uniform motion. If a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have a uniform motion. I hope it is clear to you. Now the very next important thing about uniform motion is the graph of the uniform motion. Okay, graph of uniform motion. So, graph of uniform motion between distance and time is a straight line graph. Okay, for uniform motion, the graph between distance and time is a straight line graph. Okay, this you have to remember, children. This is very important. That what is the graph of uniform motion? In uniform motion, distance time graph is a straight line, because body covers in each equal time. In each equal time, body covers equal distances. Okay, in each equal time, the body covers equal distances. Fine. Suppose what in 1 second, this is time axis: 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second, 7 second, 8 second. And here the body is covering 2, 4, 6 meter. Wait, children. I will tell you how it is forming a straight line. Okay. Suppose this is time axis and this is distance. Okay. Now this is zero axis. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second. Alright. And here the body is covering in each second 2 meter, 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter. Okay. Time is in seconds, and distance is in meter. Okay. Now suppose in 1 second the body is covering 2 meters. So here if we draw a graph, 1 second with the body is covering 2 meters. Okay. In next second, the body is covering 4 meters. In next second, the body is covering 4 meters. Clear? In next second, next 3 seconds, the body is covering 6 meters. In next second, the body is covering 8 meters. In next second, the body is covering 10 meters. And if we join all these coordinates, so what we are getting? We are getting a straight line. So it means in uniform motion, the graph between distance and time is a straight line. Now, how can you say that these are constant or they have these distance traveled is equal in equal time interval? See, the difference between time interval is same here. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. So it means in each second the body is covering equal distances. Here also distance is equal. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. So it means in each equal second, the body is covering equal distance of 2 meters. Clear? And that is why the graph between distance and time in case of uniform motion is a straight line. I hope it is clear to you children. Okay. So what is uniform motion? When a body travels equal, you can see the difference between the distance. The difference between the distance is same. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. So, if a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, the differences should be same, then the body is said to have a uniform motion. I hope it is clear to you children. Now, coming to the next topic, non-uniform motion. Non-uniform, non-uniform motion. Okay. Now, what is non-uniform motion? As in case of uniform motion, we have studied that when a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have a uniform motion. But if a body travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then we say that body is having a non-uniform motion. Clear? I hope this thing is clear to you children. Yes? So children, non-uniform motion, we were talking about non-uniform motion. So what is non-uniform motion? When a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. Okay. When a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Now this I will explain you with the help of an example. Suppose we drop a ball from top of the roof. We drop a ball from the top of the roof. Suppose this is roof and we drop a ball from top of the roof. So what will happen children? If we drop a ball from the top of the roof, what will happen? If we drop a ball from the top of the roof, what will happen, children? Initially, the ball will cover lesser distance. Initially, in initial seconds, in initial interval of time, it will cover lesser distance. But as it will move downwards, it will cover a larger distance in each equal seconds. So this is the example of non-uniform motion. See, initially क्या होगा बेटा? जैसे ही बॉल को हम ड्रॉप करेंगे, the ball will cover lesser distance, lesser unequal distances. देखो, lesser unequal distances initially when the ball is made to drop from the top of the roof in each equal interval of time. But as the ball will move downwards, the distance will keep on increasing. So what is happening here? The body is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. Okay, another, this I can explain you with the help of another example. Suppose the car is traveling. Initially the speed of the car is 20 kilometer per hour. Then after some time, the speed of the car became 30 kilometer per hour. Then 70 kilometer per hour. So what is happening? Initially, the speed of the car was 20 kilometer per hour, then 30 kilometer per hour, then 70. So if the values in each hour, is the differences between these values is same? Here so it is same, but here 70 minus 30 is how much? 40. Okay, so the body is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. The very best example is if a ball is made to drop freely from the top of the roof. So if in initial seconds it will cover lesser distances. But as the ball will keep on moving downwards, the distance covered in each second will keep on increasing. It will keep on increasing, and this is known as that non-uniform motion, that is body is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. Now this, the graph between distance time, the graph between distance time in case of non-uniform motion is a curved line. It is a curved line. Okay, it is not a straight line, because here the body covers, it is a curved line. Okay, it is a curved line because here the body covers equal, in equal time it covers unequal distances. Alright, I hope it is clear to you. Non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is the motion in which a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, whereas in non-uniform motion body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. And the graph, main difference is graph. In case of uniform motion, the graph between distance and time is a straight line graph, whereas in case of non-uniform motion, the graph between distance and time is a curved line. Clear? Now, how can you get that the distance covered is equal or unequal? By finding out the difference. If the difference is same or constant, it means the body is covering equal distances, and if the difference is not same, it is not constant, then it means the body is covering unequal distances. I hope children, uniform and non-uniform motion is clear to you. Now coming to the next topic. Next topic is your speed. Now what is speed, children? Speed means what? If a body is moving very fast, we say that speed of the body is fast. And if the body is moving slowly, what do we say? Speed of the body is slow. So this fast and slow movement of the body is speed. But this is not the technical definition according to the physics. What we can say in physics? What is speed? Speed is the distance traveled by the body in per unit time. What is speed? Distance traveled by the body. Distance, speed is your, speed is equals to distance traveled by the body in per unit time. Okay, speed is distance traveled by the body in per unit time. Okay, whatever the distance is traveled in every unit time. Okay, per unit time matlab in every unit time, whatever the distance is traveled by the body, that is known as the speed of the body. Suppose the object cover 400 kilometer in 5 hours. Object covers 400 kilometer in 5 hours. So what will be the speed of the body? So what is the distance traveled? 400 kilometer and time 5 hours. Means in total 5 hours it has covered 400 kilometer. So what will be the speed in each unit hour or every hour? So put the value, substitute the value. What is distance traveled? 400 kilometer and time 5 hour. So 5 ones are 5 eights are 40, 80. That is 80 kilometer per hour is the speed of the body. Okay, means in each hour, in each 1 hour, unit hour matlab 1 hour. In each 1 hour, the body is covering 80 kilometer. Clear? हर 1 hour में body कितना cover कर रही है? 80 किलोमीटर कवर करी और वैसे टोटल 5 आवर में कितना कवर कर रही थी 400 किलोमीटर ऑलराइट आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ दिस 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस आल्सो 80 किलोमीटर per hour you can write like this also children 80 kilometer per hour okay or either as I have written here 80 kilometer per hour both the things are same. I hope this point is clear to you children. Okay, what is speed? Means distance traveled in every unit time. Okay, distance traveled in every unit time. Now if we talk about the unit of the speed children, so the SI unit of distance traveled is meter and the SI unit of time is second. So what is the SI unit of speed? Meter per second. Meter per second is the SI unit of speed, which can be written like this also. Meter per second, like this also. You can write like this also. Clear? So what if it is asked in the exam? What is the SI unit of speed? Meter per second. Now one more point children. For larger distances or for the you can say high speeds. Okay, larger distances we use the unit kilometer per hour. Okay, and what is the SI unit? Meter per second. Okay, and for smaller distances we use centimeter per second. Clear? Now the next thing children. In your vehicles, there is the instrument which shows the speed of the body, speed of that vehicle. And what is that name of that instrument? Speedometer. Okay, it is given in the book also. The name of that instrument is the speedometer. Okay, speedometer. Speedometer. What is speedometer? It measures the instant speed of that vehicle. Suppose you are moving, you are driving a vehicle. So उस वक्त की instant speed को कौन बताता है? Speedometer. There is an instrument which tells the instant speed of your vehicle, na? So that instrument is known as speedometer. As in the same manner, there is an instrument which tells you the distance traveled, and that instrument is known as the odometer. It is given in the book. That instrument is known as odometer. Odometer. Clear? So these are the only points you have to keep in your mind. What is speed? Speed is the distance traveled in every unit time. SI unit of speed is meter per second. For larger distances we use kilometer per hour. For smaller distances we use centimeter per second. The distance traveled is shown by odometer. The instant speed is given by speedometer. I hope children this class you have understood very well. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.